So hi and welcome to today's vlog. This is on Friday and kama kawaida ni laundry day, but today we are not going to do the clothes nguo kwa sababu I think on Monday I also washed nguo, so saizi sina nguo mingi. So today I'm going to show you how to wash duvets and to see if our machine can handle if our machine can handle duvets. Yeah, I'm going to do a 5x6 duvet. Let me just show you. This is like a comforter, or it's not that heavy by the way. I think this is 6x6. No, it's also 5, and it's really dirty, especially this inner side. And it got so much lint. Kwa wale ambao hawajui lint, this is what we call lint. Yeah, and I'm also gonna show you how to clean the lint filter. We're gonna wash 1,000,000 of these dolls. Not really 1,000,000, but I have so many dolls that I need to wash. Because after we relocated, I realized that they were so dusty and I need to wash them. So this is the lint filter. I have shown you how to remove it from this compartment. So what you do, you just turn it inside out. You're supposed to clean this after every wash, but I forgot the last wash. Yeah, it's so dirty. You just wash it. If you have a soft brush, you can also use it. Now this is how you return it. Yeah, there you go. And it should freely move like this. So today I decided spin and rinse the duvet in this spinner. So what I did, I just set a 5-minute timer, and then I spin for 3 minutes to remove the dirty water. So I place the water to go in from 3 minutes to 1 minute, and then for the rest of 1 minute I spinned to remove the water. So I want to see if it's really dry, or I can add like 2 minutes or 1 minute to dry it completely. It's actually dry now. So clean. Five minutes. We spin them to 3 minutes. Rinse